This 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2400BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Keystone is 27 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, TV, DVD player, refrigerator, awning, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2400BH is 4,730 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.